here we have an A-level biology question, part of the nervous system topic. The question is, how does a Pacinian corpuscle produce a generator potential? Bit of background. Pacinian corpuscles are mechanoreceptors found in our skin, and they detect changes in pressure, so it enables you to detect, for example, touch. But how does it actually work? The Pacinian corpuscle has within it a sensory neuron, and the end, or the beginning, if you like, of that sensory neuron is wrapped in layers and layers and layers of membranes. Now, underneath those membranes, where the sensory neuron is, there are little tiny sodium ion channels, which are at rest closed. However, if touch is applied, pressure is applied to these membranes, then they get distorted. So we're going to talk about point 1 of 5 marks. 1, distortion. Of the membranes. Once they get distorted, that pressure actually causes those sodium channels to open. It distorts their shape too. Now, the sodium ion channels, remember, are located in the sensory neuron. Now, we can call these stretch-mediated sodium ion channels because it's the stretch or the pressure applied to them that brings about their opening. Once open, we get the sodium ion influx, where sodium ions from the outside rush into the sensory neuron, down their electrochemical gradient or diffusion gradient. We can call that sodium ion influx. Now, as the sodium ions influx, it changes the potential difference across the membrane, and we call that depolarization. That then leads to the generator potential. There's your 5 marks. So if you like this video and you want to learn some more content, then make sure to follow us, and I'll see you next time.